Sarah Goforth with your monthly mortgage update. The National Association of Realtors came out with a pending sales report that was a little bit lower last month than we were this time last year. Now, don't listen to the media guys and all the hype. This is 100% to do with inventory. Right now, we are sitting below a 4-month supply of homes for sale. Now, our normal is 6 to 7 months. So we just don't have any homes that are available for sale, and that's why we have the low report. For those of you that think that we're heading into a housing bubble or another recession, the Wall Street Journal actually surveys 60 economists every month and asks them that exact question. In the next 12 months, are we going to head into another recession? And the reports are been dropping every single month, with only 20% reporting that they think we will within the next 12 months, which just means that the economy is strong and we are growing. Now, low inventory does cause issues in the market. When you are under our normal 6 to 7 month supply, we are then in a seller's market. Which, I'm sorry, buyers, it just means that home prices are appreciating very quickly because there's a lot of demand and not a lot of inventory for sale. Low interest rates, however, have been offsetting the increase in housing prices, so homes are still very affordable for people to purchase. Now, some of you might say, Sarah, housing prices are ridiculous right now. And I agree that we can't keep appreciating at these levels. But to put it into perspective, if you took our median house appreciation of 3.5% from 1990 through the housing bubble to where we are today, housing prices would actually be higher than where we're currently at. And if you took that even farther to 2020, even with the most optimistic ideas of where we're going to be in house value by 2020, that report would have been much higher. So keep it together, guys. Stop complaining. We could be a whole lot worse, and money is actually really cheap. Speaking of money being really cheap, let's talk about interest rates. Wow, they are low. They are down 0.5% from where we started this year. It's absolutely insane. But all the predictions are telling us that they are going to start to increase. And about this time next year, we should be at a 4% interest rate on 30-year fixed mortgages. I'll keep an eye on that and keep you updated on how those reports keep portraying. My last couple of pieces of advice: if you're looking to sell, please sell your house. We need the inventory on the market, but it's also, because of the demand, a great time to buy or to sell it, because you are going to get top price for your home, and it's going to be on the market off the market very quickly with the amount of demand out there for people looking. Now, if you're worried that you're not going to find a place to move into when you sell, just have your sale contingent on finding your next perfect home to move into. Don't worry, you're not going to be homeless. Now, if you're looking at buying, I'm sorry guys, it is a seller's market. Those prices are appreciating for homes. However, financing is still incredibly cheap, like I've discussed. It's still very affordable for you to be able to afford these homes. And if you're thinking that you're going to wait for the values to drop a little bit, well, I'm going to warn you, they're not going to. And with the rise in interest rates, that house is just going to cost you more money. So if you're in the market to buy, just get out there and start looking. If you're a happy homeowner, well, and you're not thinking of buying or selling, with the house prices appreciating at the levels they are and the amount of equity that we have right now, it might be a good idea to look into it. If you have those home improvement projects that you're thinking about, now's a great time to finance those because money is cheap. Or if you just want to strategically position yourself for those future goals. If you have any questions about any of this, I'm always available for a phone call or an email. So just let me know. I'm happy to help. Thanks a lot.